Hello, this is Kausar Alam from Bangladesh, and I would like to thank you. Give me an unexpected opportunity to say something regarding this. However, I completed my Bachelor of Business Administration BBA 2017, Higher Secondary Certificate in HSC 2013. Now I am working as a trade officer in a reputed distribution company in Bangladesh. My job responsibility successfully rollout of national sales objective, distribution, trade marketing and consumer engagement activities to achieve and share of market target and territory level. Contribute to the growth, PMD volume and market share by the developing assign and customer visit and work closely together and distributor and third party focus to monitor deliver result according to the objective. When I was Philip Morris International as trade developer, my job responsibility were growth brand awareness for Philip Morris in Gulshan, responsible for trade camping for Marlboro, manage retailer loyalty program Retail Boss, target distribution on field force follow up there. I interested in earning a Master of Business Administration degree in Business Informatics. My decision to pursue the Masters of degree in this profession was also influenced by my success and satisfaction thus the closely and during my internship. I am interested in BI because it bridges the gap between business and technology while providing for job flexibility across a variety of industry. Outside of school, I like work with the data in figure. After earning my master's degree, my ambition is a start and expanded my own business supplying relevant information system to local expansion in my home country. Because I am successfully at home, I want to expand because worldwide. I believe that completing this master's degree will bring the close my objective and provide my with international experience I need to be successful this industry. I competence do my want to develop and how are my going utilized to education in my career. A master's degree program in bachelor's business informatics is available to business in angering professional who are interested in angering their the studying and management completed by more or effective of corporate information system. The participants in the program are the giving the tools and need the meet of challenging post and digitalization and digital information the professional and personal lives. The student will give skills and analyzing business information and using such a information in competent manner for the purpose of decision making, company opportunities and business growth. I need to compromise to find time for the completing the BI Masters program. The concept work balance of the endeavor to maintain a suitable time slip of between on the professional and personal commitments is the generally understood the general public when either referring the persons of work attending school full time the where the work and study life balance is more suitable. Working and attending school full time both possible, but the many takes your time and angry. However, there are advantages going to the path as well, such a potential finish school sooner while the returning your career of job and all the benefits that come with it. Family is my best priority. Family is my first priority for my nothing to more important than family. To complete the course, I will compromise my work and hobbies. In the 2 years program, I want to complete this course on campus. Thank you.